There's this weird thing going on with our washing machine. The cold water hasn't been working. So today we are going to fix it. So let's get on.
What are you doing, Maddie?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm fixing the hot water, the cold water.
What happened to it?
It broke. Easier.
So now what are you doing, Maddie?
So now we are making sure it is disconnected. We made sure this pump is disconnected. Now we just have to pull it out and go get a new one, and it should fix our washing machine. So let's go get a new one. At the MaddyBoo project, we're not only cute, we're also handy. Now that we have our new used pump, it's time to install. Now we are going to put the pump in place. So first you have to make sure all the wires are back and put them in these two holes. Now it's time to screw in these black screws. We're gonna put them in this hole and this hole. We're going to go till it's just snug. So let's do that. And now that one's snug, let's do the other one. And remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay. Whoopsie, what I forgot to mention is you need to put your water line to the pump before you screw it in. So make sure you do that before you screw it in. So now that the water line and the screws are all done, it's time to put our hot and cold water connections onto the pump. So technically, all you have to do is put the red one, which means hot, put that one through this thing, until it clicks. And then put the blue one on the other side until it clicks like that. So now you're good. So now that we're done inside, we're gonna close this up and put our hot and cold waters through these. So now that the inside's done, we're gonna put our hot and cold water things onto here. But first, let's put our plumber's tape and wrap it around here to get a good grip. This much, or however long y'all want to do it. We're only doing that much. So this is how much we're doing. And that one, and just this one. So we're going to do each one separately. So I'm going to wrap the plumber's tape around here to give it a good grip. Yeah. It's like it's hard because that one's right there. You know what? Let's do a little more just be sure. About this much. So, since we had to put a little more on here just to be sure, I think I'm going to do a longer strip for this one to make them equal. About that much. Now we're just going to wrap it around this one, which this one should be easier because we have enough finger space. And make sure you have your screens in there to keep debris from getting in the pump. So make sure you remember to know which one's hot and cold. And I remember the right one was hot and the other one was cold. And these are color lined, so you know which one's hot and cold for red and blue. So let's put these on there. Blue one. Okay. And screw that on there. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I forgot about that. And it should be easier to screw on, but if it feels a little difficult, you might be doing it the wrong way, so. Wait. That looks better. Now we're going to use a crescent wrench, and we're just going to screw on a little bit, because if you push down too hard, then it'll break it, so it's good. And now for the other side. Now that we have everything hooked up, time to turn on the water. Make sure no leaks. And I don't see any leaks. Now, once you're done, good job. Now time to reconnect the power.
Use the bottom one. There you go. Bottom one.
The bottom one. Now that we have power, let's walk up to the front and see if it works. So our problem was that we didn't have any cold water. So let's turn this onto cold and do this and whoa. Push it up. See if we have cold water. Yay, we did it. We have cold water now. Oh, that's too cold. Oh, that is cold. Okay, well, now we're going to push that back down and see if we still have our hot water. Oi. Oi. Daddy! I'm waiting for it to warm up. Getting warm. I'm hot. Okay, that works. you know the hot and cold water works, that we fixed it, we can secure right here, and we're going to need 3 of these screws and this. So make sure all your pieces are lined up, and then put your screws in. And I'm going to hold that. Now you should have one in the middle and one on the end. One last one. Now that we're done putting everything back in place, let's push this back here and start a load of laundry. This hot is hot. The cold is gosh. Now that we're all fixed, let's test it out and do a load of laundry. And now for laundry detergent. And you don't just use this for making slime. Now we're done with that, so let's put in our laundry. And today we're doing our towels. Ew, my dad's stray socks. I don't want my dad's stray socks in the towels. So now that we're done doing this, we come back in a while and check on it, and we'll put it in the dryer. And just because I'm just a 9-year-old girl doesn't mean I can't fix anything around this house. Bye. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications. Bye.